Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Before we get into today's video, I want you all to go like, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn my post notifications on and hit that bell. So I got a wig review for you all, and we're going to be reviewing this hair that got sent to me from Blackmoon Hair. And if the hair looks wet hair, just know that this unit is freshly washed. And they sent me over the Water Wave 360 lace frontal wig in the length 20 inches. It's supposed to be 20 inches, but to me it just looks like it's about 14 inches. But you'll see exactly what I mean once I actually put it on my head and you'll see the length. So this wig does come pre-plucked, but obviously I had to go in myself and pluck it a little bit more to my satisfaction. And the density is 180%. And this wig comes with 3 combs inside plus an adjustable strap at the back, and also it came with lace at the back, but I went in and cut that off. So as you can see here, the lace has already been cut. I cut it before I started recording. And I do this why? Because it just makes it more easier and quicker to install. So yeah guys, with the length now, I initially requested for a 26-inch lace frontal wig, but they didn't have that in stock. So they said that they'll send me over a 20-inch lace frontal wig. But once I received it, it didn't look like the length 20 inches. To me, it looks like 14 inches. But I think that's an issue on their behalf. So when I received this hair, I did go in and bleach it and pluck it to my liking. Also, once I took it out of the packaging, the hair didn't have a strong smell. It was just a mild smell, but obviously, like I said, just always wash your wigs just to be on the safer side. And I did get minimal shedding, but that is expected with curly wigs. But if you do not know what a 360 lace frontal wig is, it means that it has lace all around, so you can put this hair up in a ponytail or do whatever hairstyle you want to do with it, but just make sure that you glue the back down. But in today's video, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to install the front. So you're just going to be seeing me installing this wig. So if you guys are wondering what kind of glue I'm using to install this wig, it's called the Chicbond glue, and this is my second time using it. And it has a really strong hold. Even if you want to go in a shower or dip your head in water, your wig ain't going nowhere. So I'll find a link to that wig glue and leave it in the description box below. But to me now, I think this wig glue beats Ghost Bond and Bolt Hold altogether. If you would like to see me do a video on this wig glue, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to see a video of me comparing the 3 glues like Ghost Bond or Bolt Hold versus this glue, you know, like a comparison video, just to see which 3 of the glues are the strongest and which has a stronger hold. So let your girl know, okay? Period. Also guys, if some of you are not too sure of the products that I'm using in today's video, I will leave a list in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So guys, I wore this unit a couple times now, and I just wanted to come on YouTube and literally tell you all and give you a honest review wig video. So yeah, so everything that I said throughout this video, it is all true. I haven't experienced any excessive shedding with this hair, any tangling. And also with the pros about this unit is that the hair is very soft, it's lightweight, the lace blends really well into your skin when you bleach it. Good quality hair also, and the curls are banging once wet. Also huge amount of parting space, so you can do any hairstyle with it, half up, half down, updo, bun, whatever. And also guys, with some wigs it's quite hard to pluck, but this is human hair, so it's very easy to pluck. So you ain't gonna have no problem there. So yeah, I think that's it with the pros. The cons obviously was due to the length of this wig. Obviously they said that they were going to send me over a 20-inch wig, and I received a 14-inch wig, so I wasn't really happy about that. Obviously if someone requested for a 20-inch wig or longer, then they should receive that. So they shouldn't receive anything else but what they requested. Also, when I opened the packaging, there was a mild smell. It didn't really bother me because I always wash my wigs, but maybe to some of you don't like them smells, them manufacturer smells that you get when you receive a wig. So yeah guys, I think that's pretty much it. I don't have not too many things bad to say about this hair, but other than that, this hair is really pretty. I like the curls on this hair. I love the texture, the quality, everything. So yeah. But if you guys want to purchase this unit or any other units from this company, they are called Blackmoon Hair, and this company does have an Instagram, a WhatsApp and an email, but I would suggest for you to do is go through Instagram and contact them there and so on. But yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. If you did enjoy, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you want to ask me any questions or any questions about this unit. And also don't forget to turn on my post notifications and hit that bell to always know when I upload. Also, if you guys have in mind any hair companies that you want me to review, reach out to me and I'll do that for you all. I just want to do videos that you guys actually want to see. So yeah, let me know guys. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.